Hello everyone, this is Diego. I am the creator of this beautiful piece that you see behind me. My artistic name is Paquiliztli, Paquiliztli. It means happiness in Nahuatl, the language that I've learned. This is made handmade completely. It's made out of crochet with a very small, a very thin needle and very thin yarn. It is something that I'm very passionate about. I started this back in 2010 and it took me about 3 years to get really good at production. Essentially, I visualize a lot of pictures, a lot of beautiful images in my mind, and then I recreate them in the computer or I draw them out, and then I create these amazing pieces. So it's something that I'm really passionate about that I will probably continue to pursue for the rest of my life. If you want to find me, again, it's Paquiliztli on Instagram, Facebook. My website is www.paquiliztli.com. So hope you enjoy it. Thank you.